nobody understands this guy. He doesn't speak English. English is important. If you want to make money, you have to speak some language which everybody understands.
So
nobody understands what he's saying.
Ryan, this guy,
bro, this dude's out of control.
Islam.